it going? I'm here to teach you how to change a wiper blade. Additionally, you're going to need a new wiper blade from your local auto store and the know-how. That's what I'm here for. Step one, inspect what type of wiper blade you have. Mine is a J-hook. I know that because of the way it curves down through and back out, and I have this little tab here. This is the release tab. There are several different types. Today we're just going to discuss the small and large J-hook. It's the same thing. In this particular video, this is a single bar. You have all different types, but they're essentially the same concept. You're going to, step one, lift it up, find your release tab, push it, slide it down, it'll slide right off. You then want to inspect the arm, make sure that it is in good working condition for any kind of mechanical failures, rust, anything that might be broken. Everything is in good working order. You make sure you understand and read the instructions from the manufacturer on how to install the new one. In this one, there's this little thing here. You pop open and you slide the J-hook right into there. Slides right in and click. You close the top and there you have it. Very simple. Thank you very much.